I use an Erin Condren Daily Duo, and the new Daily Duos for 26-27 have a dashboard weekly layout in them. I have September kits from BOLDERBON to share with you, and we're going to do a plan with me. Welcome back. I'm Tina from It's a Wonderful Plan. This collection is called Vintage Vinyl. So she has sent me the dashboard layout here. We've got the days of the week, we've got boxes and a decorative element here, along with some headings, some check boxes, and some more decorative strip stickers, some habit trackers on here and on here, and then there are some different boxes. We're going to be doing the plan with me in the dashboard layout today, but let's finish looking at the other things that came in this collection. So these are the sheets for the Daily Duo, which I will be doing a separate plan with me using these right here. So right here we have the headers and days of the week, hourly boxes, like little heading boxes, and then these are extra boxes that you can put into the blank section in the Daily Duo section. So there are 3 of those here. These are all a little bit different. And this last one here has got some checklists in here and then some decorative like little strips here. All of the codes for the kits are up in the corner. So this is DD, and then each sheets, you can actually purchase the sheets individually if you wanted to, or you could purchase them as a kit. Now I do have a discount code that she has given me that will save you 15% off. So make sure if you are going to be doing any shopping that you go ahead and use that code to save yourself a little bit of money. All right, this kit right here is her like decorative journaling kits. So there's a lot of beautiful elements in here. I really love the colors in this collection. I was surprised to see the lavender, but I really love lavender. It's like one of my favorite colors. I love purple, and I love like the musical notes. We've got some like vinyl records in here, which are so fun. These decorative tapes are very pretty, and some full illustration boxes here. They're kind of like bubbles, and then here are some that are more like oval and rectangular, and some more elements. So pretty. Really like that cabinet there. And then the crate with holding the records. That's so cute. And then this sheet right here, this is all like mini washi strip. So there's like these 4 patterns in here. The last 2 sheets I have to share with you are something new that she has brought to the shop. This is the September bucket list with a Hello September little quote there. And we've got all the different things for a bucket list if you want to create that for yourself. Very, very pretty. And then this one is really fun, September Wacky Holidays. So we've got 1 through 30 because there's 30 days in September. Ooh, 29 is coffee day. This is so cute with a little bear. It's a superhuman day. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. When I first read it, I thought it said like superhero day, but superhuman day. Wonderful weirdos day. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. Video game day. That's cute. Coloring day. Very, very cute. I like it. All right, so these are also available currently for you to pick up, and we are going to work on a week in September. I can't believe, oh my gosh, I feel like I say that every single month. It's like, oh my goodness, how are we already this far into the year? All right, so we are going to work on this half of the week first. This is the side with the dates, and the other side is like the dashboard side. So what I have liked to do is I like to take these little strips here and cover up the lines that are already existing there. I think that that's really pretty. So we're going to work on that first. Now I want to put in the days of the week, but I think before I do that, I'm going to just write in the actual dates. I find that if I write them in before I lay them down, it's like a little bit easier to do. I always kind of like to gather all of my stickers on my hand. It just to me seems like easier to work with. Let me know, do you do the same thing, or do you just grab it from the sheet and lay it onto the page? You know, this is just kind of like my technique. I feel like we all have our techniques that work comfortably for each of us, and that's what we go with, right? So the kits do not come with date dots, but you could definitely purchase them. She has those available in her shop. If you needed to get just like a collection of date dot stickers, you could do that. Or of course, you could just write them in the way that I'm doing right now. Now for this dashboard layout, the way the days of the week, they kind of go across this way. When you're using like these days of the week stickers, you can easily change the flow of these days if you wanted to, and have them, you know, go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I've thought of that, but I haven't done it yet. So I don't know if it's something that I really like bothers me that much. I know for some people they prefer more of a vertical flow, but I'm okay with the way that it is. All right, we're going to flip over on this side and we're going to work on the dashboard side. So I have been really liking using these decorative strips. She's got one on this sheet and then she has one on this sheet here, where I can take this and like drop it in at the top and create like a top and bottom border. And I really like that. Ooh, except the one thing I'm forgetting is that I want to fill in the box here. So I want to fill, this box will fit perfectly in here. And these boxes fit really good here. Or if you don't like want to use the habit trackers, you could put that there. Or maybe if you want habit trackers on this side, because you do have the habit tracker stickers, you could put those in on this side, you know, switch them around and kind of make it your own. These other like square ones here, this is really cute. I like that with the purple travel sign there. You could cover up like half of these. Like let's say you don't need all of those habits, then you can use that to cover up like the other half. Plug in some of these habits because I think that top sticker that I'm going to put in here is going to cover up some of these. I always forget like the order to put this on here. So let's work on putting in the habit boxes and then I will move forward from there. I feel like this kit is definitely not like a real like fall colors yet. Just kind of like still hanging on to summer, which I actually appreciate because I'm in Chicago and our summers, like our warm weather, will usually go in through most of September. And then things will start to change and we'll get our fall, our real fall weather coming in, and it's so beautiful here. I love it. Okay, now I'm putting this heading at the top. That's really pretty. I like that. And I like the way that this is designed so that way I can have like a little heading up there. So we've got like this little heading. We've got the priorities and then the habits. And this can easily go like right here. It's perfect. And then the habits, put it right in the middle there. I think that's really perfect. So pretty. I love this kit. The colors in here just make me so happy. I probably could have used this for the week that I'm currently in, to be honest. But this will work nicely for the first week in September. The nice thing is that nowhere on the kit does it really say September, so you can use this kit whenever you want. It doesn't have to be just for September. I like to have like some strips going across, so that's where these strips come in. I think I'm going to break it up a little bit because here, let's see. I don't have any of like that floral on this side. So I think I want to bring this one maybe in at the top. That might be really pretty. I forget if that like fits all the way across. I think I've been doing something different, but the top of this one says August, September because Monday happens to be still August. But I think I can fit this across the top here, and I think that that would be really cute. Add some color in here. And then I'm also kind of doing this a little bit differently than what I had done before. Okay. Yeah, that looks pretty like that. Okay, now what I could do is just put this in the middle. Let's do that. I'm going to cover up this notes. Bring that in the middle. And then I think I want to bring this one on the other side down here. But before I do that, I also have this box, and I think that this is pretty. I could bring it in here if I wanted to. I'm not sure about that. I think I'm gonna just plug this one in down here. Yeah, that's pretty. That adds a little something extra. Okay, so we're gonna, oh, I need to put my checklists in, so we're gonna come back over here. Jumping around a little bit. Hopefully I don't make you too dizzy. So I have these 2 checklists, and these fit in here perfectly. All right. So cute. There we go. All right, so now I can add a couple of different things here. Let's see. I'm going to use this notes one. And I'm going to put that here. Because I like to use this section kind of like for work or for content. It's kind of like a mix right now. I think I'm going to grab this one this week. And I'm going to put that right there. And I'm going to grab the to-do, and I'm going to put that right there. So I'm doing it a little bit different than what I did before, but I do like the way that that looks. That's super cute. And then these, oh, I think I'll hold on to those for something else. Let's see. So I have all of these other little strips. So we're going to come over to the dated side, and I'm going to use, on Tuesday, I go by my parents, and I do a lot of like things there. So I'm going to use this skinny one for a heading here. But I'm also going to create a little checklist, and I'm going to use one of these to do that, because these are designed to fit onto the days. And then this little heading I will put right there. And then that way I can write in that this is my parents. And there's just like regular things that I do on Tuesday. So for example, I will renew like my mom's medication for the week. And then I do other things, which I won't write those out because those definitely get to be personal. And then for Sunday, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab another one of these checklists, and I'm going to write in like getting ready for the week, because that's what I end up doing on Sundays. I feel like even though Sunday is not like a work day, I still feel like it is kind of a work day because there's things that I need to do on Sundays. On Saturdays, I have my YouTube premiere that's on Saturday mornings. I can use these right here. And then my husband will make us a big breakfast on Saturdays, which is so nice. On Saturdays, we also do laundry. And then we usually have like our little date night. So I think what I'll do is I'm going to grab this one. And I think that would be kind of cute. And we order out and we watch a movie, or we'll go out to dinner. And Sunday is my parents' trash day. We have to put their garbage can out for garbage pickup. So sometimes we spend like the afternoon and have a meal with them, or other times we just pop in and take care of the trash and then, do other things that we need to do. So my husband is starting a new job on the 1st, which I'm so excited about. So maybe I will put a little sticker kind of in there to commemorate that. He's really excited about that, and I am excited to actually start a new schedule for myself. So it's going to be interesting. I've gotten some things are going to be changing for me, and I'm excited about it. I'm excited to have hopefully a little bit more of a schedule that works for me. I had a very choppy schedule because of the different things that I needed to do. This week I'm going to be working on what my ideal schedule for myself will be, and I'm hoping that that's going to work out and play out nicely for me. We'll see what happens with that. The way that this turned out, this is a really, really pretty kit. If you love the purples and the pinks and these just really soft colors, I definitely recommend you picking this kit up. I think this is probably one of the favorite ones that I've gotten from her so far. It's hard to decide because there's so many pretty ones. I also have this journaling kits stickers, which are really cute, that I can bring in if I want to bring in some extra little elements throughout my planning here. I could definitely bring some of these things in, and I do still have some of the boxes left from the weekly kit, so I can use those wherever I need to. These little checklist ones. I mean, I could add in checklists in here, like if I need to do any kind of content that I'm filming, I can bring those in here. So let me do that. Actually, I kind of like that idea. So I'm going to grab this little heading here, and I'm going to bring this in here. I'm going to try something a little different. I'm an affiliate for Erin Condren. If you do decide to purchase anything from them, greatly appreciate if you consider using my affiliate link. And if you decide to pick up anything from Bonnie, BOLDERBON, please remember to use my discount code and save yourself 15%. If you had fun here with me today, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know, do you have a daily planner or do you just use a weekly planner? I would love to know what you like, or maybe you just use the monthly layout and that is perfect for you. Drop it all down in the comments and let's continue the conversation down there. I really like this layout because I can kind of make whatever lists I need to, in any of these sections. You can quarter these out, you could put these in thirds, whatever works for you, however many lists you need to create for yourself for your week. Or you could use this particular layout for one aspect of your life, like maybe this is just for work, and then you can do a different thing here with your dailies. So there's lots of different things that you could do with this planner. Remember to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, because I will be doing my plan with me for my dailies for this week, so you could see how I use the daily kit in here. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. If you watch this all the way through till the end, be sure to leave me a music note emoji. Thanks so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.